In this video, I'm going to tell you the 3 content marketing strategies for small business and the only 3 you need to drive traffic, leads and customers for your small business step by step. So keep watching. Hey, what's up marketers? My name is Eduard Dziak, the founder of B2B-digitalmarketers.com, the place where you can learn how to grow your digital marketing effectively without spending money on marketing agencies. And in today's video, we will discuss the 3 ultimate content marketing strategies for small business that you only need, because it doesn't make sense to read or watch or whatever anything about 10 content marketing strategies for small business, because you cannot manage that. And of course you can choose which one you want for your small business, but I will tell you the only 3 content marketing strategies you need for your small business to drive leads, customers and website traffic. So you don't have to procrastinate by deciding which strategy is the best for you, and you can take the action. Therefore, if you find this video valuable, make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment below what is your favorite content marketing strategy. And without further ado, let's get started. The first content marketing strategy is blogging for your business. Blogging has gained huge popularity among businesses of all sizes, as it drives highly targeted website traffic for businesses without a huge investment. And of course, large corporations outsourcing or have in-house content marketing team that regularly publish new blog posts. But it doesn't mean you cannot get your piece of cake as well. And actually, there is still a lot of room for small business to start blogging, as it estimates that there are almost 6 million searches on Google every day, and 15% are new to Google. Also, blogging brings many benefits for small business, such as higher ranking for your website, more leads, up to 3 times more than paid advertising, and more clients for your small business. And it doesn't matter in what industry you are in, as there are always readers for your industry, and actually the other the better. So how can you start blogging for your small business? First, you need to have a content marketing plan. Please do not be the one who thinks can wing it and win it. Just don't do that, please, alright? Trust me, it will save you a ton of time if you prepare your content marketing plan. So for content marketing plan, I have created an entire video on how to create a content marketing plan for small business step by step. So you can check it out after this video here, or you can find it in the description. Alright, once you finish your content marketing plan, then you need to start executing your content marketing. For this, I have also created an article about how to create a great SEO article to maximize your website traffic and leads conversion. And I'm sorry, it is not packed everything in this video and you must go here and there, but the video would be too long and I would repeat myself. So sorry for that, and just check it out, it's everything in the description, or it can pop up here as well. Alright, and lastly, you need to promote your articles. And if you don't have where, it's okay, because our next 2 strategies will help you with that. Okay, the second content marketing strategy for small business is email marketing. Many marketers thought that email marketing was dying before COVID-19 situation. Now, half of them wish they would start it before, and the other half is extremely grateful for email marketing. For some reason, people had more time to read emails and purchase more during MCO. So it was a great strategy, and still it is. For example, one of my clients just started email marketing a few months ago and already driving leads and clients from it. And we are talking about ERP system that costs between $50,000 to $1 million or even more. And I'm saying this because email marketing is not just for small and cheap products, but I believe everyone can sell their products or services with the right technique with email marketing. So how can you start your email marketing journey? In the first step, you need to start collecting email addresses. That's why blogging is great, because it helps a lot. Therefore, use forms or pop-ups on your blog post and ask your readers to subscribe. It is not the best to collect email addresses, but it works and it is great to start with. And later on, you can start things like content marketing upgrades. By the way, you can check out this video where I talk more about content marketing upgrades so you can learn what is it and how it could help you to generate so much more subscribers. In the second step, you need to have an email marketing automation software where you can collect email addresses and later on create automated emails. Trust me, it helps a lot and saves a ton of time. My recommendation for email marketing automation for small business is GetResponse, Moosend or HubSpot. So check out the links in the description for more information. Also, you will find more links for content marketing tools that can help you with your small business. Alright, and the third step, you need to create a welcome email and email marketing onboarding sequence, which are 3 to 5 emails in a row for your new subscribers to help them go around your blog and website. Don't worry, it's quite simple to do. You can check out this video to learn more about onboarding sequence and more about email marketing. And the third content marketing strategy for small business is to choose one social media. Social media, it's great to increase your brand awareness and influence your potential buyers to start the initial research about your products and services. And social media helps you because your potential clients using social media to research about your products and services. Also, according to HubSpot, 75% of B2B buyers are using social media to support their purchase decision. So all of this can enhance the omnichannel experience of your brand and massively increase your brand awareness. And it can drive you more leads because marketers can see the results from social media in just 6 hours a week. So how can you do it? First, you need to decide what social media are the best for your small business based on your target audience and the type of the content you want to publish. Is it videos, pictures, posts, or whatever it is? You must first decide which kind of content you want to produce. For example, if you are a cake bakery or a coffee shop, then you might consider more visual social media such as Instagram. But again, it depends on your type of industry and the target audience. Just look around at your competitors and you will see which one is the best for your small business and for yourself that you can produce consistently the content. Second, you must get equipment. Again, it depends on what you choose. If you want to produce videos on YouTube, you might want to get some microphone, camera and lights to bring your quality at more professional level, which I strongly recommend. And last, what you need is content marketing tools, which tremendously helps with your social media results. For example, for LinkedIn, I'm using a scheduler. So once a week, I spend 15 to 20 minutes scheduling all my posts and I'm good. Then I just reply to comments and give some likes. And to make it super easy for you, I've put the links in the description for my favorite tools for YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, email and blog you must use to get the best ROI from your content marketing. So check it out in the description. Alright, and that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it and leave a comment below what will be the first content marketing strategy you will implement for your small business. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Ciao!